Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto chocolate granola. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Let's get started on this keto chocolate granola because it is super easy and delicious. We have got all of our ingredients all laid out here, so we're just going to dump them all in a bowl, and I'll tell you how much and what they are, but then we're going to dump them all in a bowl and mix them up, and it's just really easy. And so yummy. We're gonna add a half a cup of chopped walnuts, a half a cup of chopped pecans, and a half a cup of chopped almonds, a quarter of a cup of almond flour, 3 tablespoons of granulated keto-friendly sweetener. You know how much I love Keto. 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, white sesame seeds. You could probably use black sesame seeds too if you want to. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm gonna go ahead and mix up all of these dry ingredients. And finally, we have a quarter of a cup of melted coconut oil. Now we're just gonna stir all of this up, and it's gonna start to make clusters like granola. Okay, I've got a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. So we're going to dump this onto the sheet tray. And we're gonna lay it out in a single layer, spread it out. Okay, this is ready for the oven. It's gonna bake in a 375-degree oven for about 10 minutes. It'll get crunchy, but if you want it really, really crunchy, then you're gonna wanna leave it in a little bit longer. But 10 minutes to start, and then check on it, and then pull it out whenever it's to your crunch level. Okay, our granola is out of the oven and it is ready. So what I like about using a parchment paper or a silicone baking mat is you can just do like this and it will break up into clusters. Oops. I smell the chocolate. And then you can see how nicely that turned into granola. It's nice and crispy. So I've got a bowl here, and I'm going to just use my spatula to put it in this bowl, and you can store this in the airtight container for about a week, or you could put it in the refrigerator for longer. But since this doesn't have any preservatives or anything in it, you're not going to want to keep it on the counter for very long because it will go bad. Okay, here's our keto chocolate granola, and let's try a little piece. It's like salty and sweet. It's really, really good. I would love to top my yogurt with this. I have Greek yogurt, so let's do that. One of my favorite snacks is plain Greek yogurt, and I sweeten it with a little bit of liquid keto-friendly sweetener. Stir it up, and then top it with a little bit of the granola for some crunch. And that is such a delicious snack. You could also put this on ice cream. 1/3 of a cup is a serving. I can't remember how many carbs and calories it is, but it's 1/3 of a cup per serving. Or you could, for less carbs and calories, you could just have it as a little snack. But anyway, make sure you check out this recipe. It's super delicious. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.